If you want a less traditional burial, Katrina Spade wants to give it to you.
Farmers all around the U.S. have done this for decades now, and it's technically a form of composting, taking natural materials like wood chips and straw and covering a body with them, and over time, several weeks' time, microbial activity breaks down the body into a soil.
Spade is the founder of Compost, a company that wants to give people the choice to become soil when they die. They worked with Washington State University to test its safety for environmental and human health. 6 people donated their bodies for the study. Spade says it's not just safe, it offers eco-benefits.
With cremation, you have the burning of fossil fuels and emission of carbon and mercury and particulates into the atmosphere. And then with conventional burial, there's quite a carbon footprint from the manufacture and transport of caskets, grave liners, and then the upkeep of cemeteries. So you have those two options, which again, if people want those options, absolutely, they need to remain. But recomposition uses about 1/8 of the energy of cremation and also has a significant carbon reduction, thanks in part to the sequestration that happens of the materials during the process.
There has been some criticism from religious groups questioning the practice, but supporters say it's just as spiritual an option for them as traditional burial is for others.
First of all, we're trying to add one more choice for Washington folks, so it certainly isn't about making anyone do something they don't want. It's about giving another option for us to choose from. And I will say for some people, this option feels really kind of spiritual. The ability to return to the earth after we've died and to nourish the land again is actually something that really resonates for people.
In Seattle, I'm Allison Morrow, King 5 News.